Vision Group Holdings is the largest LASIK provider with over 3.3 million procedures performed in over 140 locations across the country and Canada. The challenges that we started to have was Vision Group Holdings was in acquisition mode, and we were also in growth mode. LASIK Vision Institute itself was opening 2 centers per month. With that, TLC Laser Eye Centers was acquiring centers and also growing and building out their IT infrastructure. The business needed us to provide faster systems, more scalable systems, and we were physically locked in.
So when we first met the VGH team, they were a small IT team experiencing explosive business growth. And our challenge was to come in and to help them stabilize their systems in the short term and then help them build a plan to build a solution that's going to be scalable, high performing, simplified in the management piece.
At first they were a little unsure about how deep they should go with their challenges and their growth strategy, but once we showed them what we can do and we really just kind of befriended them and helped them out, I think they went ahead and laid it on the line. They told us exactly what they needed, where they wanted to go, what their current concerns were, where their growth challenges were. And I think when they saw we had the solutions for them, they were more open to discussing them, and then we became very good friends very, very quickly.
The V-Spec solution was the right solution for VGH on a couple different levels. Number one, it gave them the flexibility that the business required to move quickly. Also gave them the scalability as well as the simplified management that a small IT team would be able to handle as the business grew.
They were moving things thousands of miles, but had to make sure that the end users could access the applications almost all the time. So building a very scalable, flexible architecture was key. We had to be able to take in new data at any given time, be able to make it available from one site, and also have it available to the other site at the same time.
We found that instead of having physical servers tied to hardware, we now had pools of processor, pools of memory that we could allocate as needed. It almost was too easy how much it was answering the problems that we were having. All the time that we were spending firefighting these physical systems, watching to make sure that this node was up, this node was down, all that time spent was fixed by using V-Specs.
Our second engagement with Vision Group Holdings was focused around video and voice. With our first engagement, we had laid down infrastructure to allow them to scale and do different things, and one of those things was to layer on voice and video. And they had a very normal problem that businesses have today, which is video is just too complicated. It's not easy to connect, it's not easy to use, so they came to R2 for a very simple solution with video. R2 champions Cisco's video because it's just a beautiful product, right? It really allows you to connect with people with body language, and it's not something difficult to use. It offers a great picture, it offers great flexibility, it offers an amazing application that follows people throughout the room and really interacts and makes it immersive for the end user.
We can now do full trainings. We can have a full face-to-face meeting thousands of miles away. And with 140 locations, that was big.
This was not only a conferencing solution or even a one-to-one executive or management conferencing video solution, it was a training solution on top of that. And so we selected Cisco's collaboration platform that's able to handle all that under one umbrella.
I can do all the things that used to take me days, weeks, and months in an afternoon. It's completely changed the game. It's completely changed the way that we use systems and the way that we see systems.
One of the advantages that we bring to the table is that we actually want to be immersed in their business, and we want to have conversations about what they're trying to achieve and how we can help them. And Dan and his team are very forthcoming with us, and it's a true collaborative effort.
We weren't working with a vendor. We were truly working with a partner that cared about our business, that took the time to understand our business. It has really given us a competitive edge because of the fact that from a system standpoint, it's available and it's scalable for all of the growth that we are going through now and will be continuing to go through.
Everything Vision Group Holdings has purchased and implemented so far really has almost no limit to scale, right? And there are plenty of applications and there are plenty of products that can work with these products to provide additional services for their end users. So as they grow, we think they're going to take advantage of those services. And those services might be something that's developed and available today, or it might be something that's developed and available in 5 years from now. But we're very confident the foundation we've laid is very good for them.
The future of the relationship between R2 and Vision Group Holdings, I think, will be a long-lasting one. I can't imagine trying to take on the challenges that I will have in the next year, the next 2 years, the next 3 years without a partner that's there with me to assist.
The relationship between VGH and R2 is only going to continue to grow. We started in the data center, we moved to collaboration, we're now helping them with a lot of their network pieces and hope to get really involved with their business and help deliver those solutions that can help keep VGH a market leader in LASIK vision.